Hey gang, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I wanted to come live and show you the pineapple wedger. We're about to head off to the beach. First of all, this clear plastic thing that holds your pineapple wedger, do not throw it away because this is super sharp. So what you're gonna do is when you are done cutting your pineapple, we're gonna lift the whole pineapple up, put it back into this case, and we're gonna squish it down so that the center core will pop right out. So you want to cut the top and bottom off of your pineapple. I typically try to purchase pineapples that are tall and thin so that you don't have a lot of waste. I'm kind of short, so sometimes I get on my tippy toes, but you want to make sure you're using the little rocking action. You're just going to line it up just like you would a apple wedger. And then you push all the way down till you get to the bottom of the cutting board. And then what you're gonna do, and by the way, I am short, so I usually do it on the kitchen table, or I cut my pineapple into two smaller wedges and I wedge both of those. And then you just lift it up and you put it into the base and push down, and that will pull your edges out and core your pineapple for you. And now you can just slice it right up, just like you would have if you had bought it at the grocery store, but it is fresh and delicious. So tell me, do you grill pineapple? Do you use it in just fruit salads? Or do you use it in another way, like an upside down pineapple cake? Let me know how you use your pineapple. Thanks for watching. Comment below whether you're watching as a playback or whether you saw me on here live.